when, now. Mastering yes, no questions in English. Hello, learners around the world. Welcome to our lesson today. We will be looking at an important question word in English, when. Although when is often used in open-ended questions, it can be cleverly used in yes, no questions as well. Let's dive in. When we think of the word when, we often associate it with questions that require more detailed responses about time. For instance, when is your birthday? Or, when do you usually have dinner? However, when used correctly, when can also be employed to craft yes, no questions, which require only a simple yes or no answer. In yes, no questions, when is typically used to confirm a piece of information that you already know or suspect. These aren't questions that seek to find out new information. They're used more for affirmation. Here are a few examples. When you went to Rome, did you visit the Colosseum? When you studied for the test, did you review all the chapters? When you went to the market, did you buy apples? Notice that in these cases, you're not actually asking about the time something happened. Instead, you're asking whether or not a specific event occurred at a known time. Let's go through some more examples to make this concept clearer. When you met John, did he tell you about his new job? When you were on vacation, did you try any new food? When you were at the library, did you find the book you were looking for? Again, you can see that these aren't questions asking about the time of an event, but rather confirming whether something happened at the time already specified. That's it for our lesson today, folks. Remember, when isn't just for open-ended questions. You can use it to craft clever yes, no questions to confirm something you already suspect or know. Keep practicing these questions, and soon, they'll become second nature. We hope this lesson has been helpful, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one. Happy learning!